Step 1, acknowledge how far you've come. We didn't just fall to the positions we're in right now. No, it took hard work, it took preparation, it took execution for us to get to where we are. The first step of the don't let your phone upgrade before you do process involves us validating where we are right now by acknowledging how far we've come. So in the first activity, you are going to identify specific changes that have occurred in your life to get you to this point. Things like going away to college, things like getting your first job, things like when you got married. Each one of those changes represents, I say, a different version of yourself, much like cell phone versions. Paulette 1.0, Paulette 2.0, Paulette 3.0. And what we're going to do for each one of those versions of ourselves, we're going to identify the features of that version. What do I mean by that? I mean, we're going to look back and reflect upon the knowledge and information we gained about growth and improvement in each one of those change phases.